Hello everyone, welcome back to another great episode of Raihana's Cuisines. Today we're going to be making boiled egg croquettes. These are super delicious. I'm going to show you two ways how to do this. You can see here that I've got the fried version and I've got the baked version. The baked version looks amazing as well. So let's go ahead, and if you want to know how to do this, let's go ahead and discuss all the ingredients. So for our potato croquettes, what I have done here is the way I've measured it is I have here 5 boiled eggs that I've done. To that I've done potatoes sizes just about the same size, a little bit bigger than this egg. So I've done 5. These are small eggs. I've done medium potatoes, okay? So now what I've done is I boiled it, peeled it, and I like shredding mine. So I've shredded mine. To this, it's very, very simple. We're just gonna add some salt, some lemon pepper, some fresh cilantro, and some red chutney, and that's my famous red chutney here. And if you feel like the color is going to change and you don't want to put it in, that's fine. Just make your mixture really, really tasty. And then we're going to be filling the mixture up with the egg mixture, and then I'm just going to show you what we're going to do next. I got these. I want to show you now. We're going to be doing 2 fried or 3 fried and 2 baked, depending on. I want to show you you can do fried, but you could also do a baked version of this, and I'll show you exactly what to do. So you see here that I'm just kind of bringing the potato up and kind of covering it. I have one left here, so my ratio was a little bit off as far as potatoes, but if that happens with you, then don't worry about it. Use it as a sandwich or fill it up with something or whatever works for you. So you might have that issue, just wanted to let you know. So if you're frying this, then what you would do is you would roll this in flour first, just like that. And then I have here an egg that I beat up, and what I did was I did add some salt in there, just so that you want to dip that in there. And make sure that your oil is really nice and hot. And I did turn that down. So let me just bring that back up to temp. And then we're gonna put that right in here slowly. Once you put it in oil, don't keep on moving them around. Let them kind of get done on one side and then turn it. So you see here that this one I'm just gonna flip a little bit like this so that you're not gonna break your potatoes. You have to be very, very gentle with these. And now I'm going to show you the baked version. So for the baked version, you just want to take 2 eggs, beat them up, add a little bit of salt, and then add about a tablespoon of cornstarch and about a tablespoon of white flour. This will really help the batter stick onto the mixture. So we're just gonna dip this into our mixture that we made, just like so. And now we're gonna put it on a tray, and we're gonna go ahead and bake these at 375 degrees until the top looks crispy, and I'll let you know how long that do here is we've done all these are all done. I wanna go ahead and cut into one to show you what it looks like. Look at how gorgeous this looks. Look at how gorgeous this looks. Amazing. So, I'm just debating whether I want to do a taste test or not, because they look so beautiful that it's hard to eat this. And this is our baked version, and this is our fried version. And then I've got my red chutney. And so let's go ahead and take a bite, and then I'm going to tell you what it is. These are superb. The potato mixture on the outside is so well seasoned that it gives that kick. And then if I were to add the red chutney on top, it would just be on another level. It is super delicious. So if you want to know how to do this, I just messed up.